This video is to show how to set up the data shortcut files and folders for a project for the surfaces. It can also apply to alignments and corridors and anything that's Civil 3D related. In this file we have, this is the file that contains the existing ground surface and the finished ground surface. As you can see, they were actually created in this file. They have the definition, the break lines, the point groups, and everything in this file. So this is where the surfaces were created, and that's important because you have to start in that file where they were created to data shortcut out from that file. So the first step is to go down to the data shortcuts section in the prospector and check the path. In these brackets there's a path to a project, and you have to make sure this path is the correct path that you want, because this is where the data shortcuts are going to be saved, in this path. Right now it's on Countryway Design, which is not the correct path, so we're going to change that. You do that by right clicking and set the working folder, and then navigate to the project, and click once on the drawings folder and select that folder. Now we can see that it's empty brackets, which means that there's not currently a data shortcuts project folder in that location. So the next step is to create a new data shortcuts project folder. If there was already a data shortcut project folder there, the path would show up here, and then you could just go on to the next step. But we need to create a data shortcut project folder. We'll just give it a name, data shortcuts, really original. Click OK, and now the path shows up. Then the next step is to right click again and create data shortcuts, and then we can select from the list of available items that we can use, that we can create data shortcuts for. In this case we'll do the existing ground and the finished ground surfaces. Click OK, and that's it. Now they're available for other files to data shortcut into. To test that, we can create a new file. Always do it in the model tab. If you do it in the layout tab, it'll put it in paper space. Again, go into your prospector. This time, instead of right clicking on the data shortcuts line, go down and expand the item that you want a data shortcut in. We'll do the finished ground surface for now. We just right click and click on create reference. We'll ask you the parameters for that new surface, and you just click OK. With zoom extents, we can see that surface came in exactly how we wanted it to. Anyway, that's it.